Today we are going to give you the complete roadmap to clear CS Executive in your first attempt. Before starting the video, let me tell you that you have to share the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you completely share this video with your friends so that they can clear the CS Executive exam along with you. So without any further delay, let's get started. For clearing the CS Executive, you need to first decide what modules you are going to prepare for. Now, quickly I want to give you a quick introduction to module. What do you mean by module? Module means which contains 4 subjects, and CS Executive there are 2 modules in which there will be 4 subjects set in each of the module. So that is nothing. If you want to prepare for one module, what should I do? The thing is that you should do that for preparing one module, you should start before 4 to 5 months to prepare for that module. And if you want to prepare for both the models, you need to start before at least 7 months to prepare well and to complete the syllabus. The thing is that most students do not complete the syllabus on time, and they regret that we have not completed the syllabus, how are we gonna clear the exam. So the thing is that you need to first complete the syllabus, then attend test series, and then attend the question from the scanner that you can purchase, and you can easily clear after deciding the modules. What kind of modules are you gonna give? The modules will be completely based on your choice and your analysis on how much you have studied before the examination. Now let's talk about the thing is that module 1 consists of 4 subjects: GIGL, CL, SBEC, fourth tax law and practices. Sir, the first question arises in all of your mind is, sir, do we have to attend each and every question in theory subjects? Yes, you have to attend each and every question in GIGL, CL and SBC, for example, because in theory subject there is no negative marking. Sir, in tax law and practices, do I have to attend each and every question? The thing is that in tax law and practices, this is a negative marking subject. The thing is that you need to do is that you need to attend those questions in which you are confident. Now remember this tip: in theory subject, each and every question to be attended; in MCQ subject, each and every question not to be attended. Only in question in which we are confident, you need to attend those questions. Now the thing is that in negative subject you will need to focus more on negative subject, because in negative subject what will happen that even the one negative marking can lead you to the failure. So that is why I will recommend you to go more on negative subject, focus more on negative subject. That doesn't mean you need to ignore theory subject. Theory subjects are too important, but please try to give more focus on negative marking subject. Now let's talk about module number 2. Module number 2 will consider corporate and management accounting, securities laws and capital market, economic business and commercial laws. 8 is financial science. Now in here there will be negative marking subject, and there will be a theory subject. Now what you need to do here, if you are preparing for both the module 1 is tip is same for both the module preparation student. In module 2 there is much more negative subject. What you need to do here is you need to focus more on conceptual clarity. Number 2 is that you need to attend more and more question from the scanner, from the test series that you purchase. Now coming to the third tip is that live versus pen drive classes. What you need to do, sir, whether should we buy live classes or pen drive classes? The thing is that never ever try to purchase live class. Sir, why should not we purchase live class? The thing is that in live classes what really happens that you write the doubt in chat box. That is completely fine. You will get your doubt resolved from the teacher at that time. But the thing arises in the problem is that time issue. When you do not watch the live classes and you go to the live class of next day, what really happens that if you don't get the topic, you ask the teacher, sir, I am not understanding. He will ask, did you attend the last day class? You will say, sir, we have not attended the last day class. Now the teacher will say, go and attend that live. So what is the problem, sir? We will get the backup. The academy says we will provide you back. The thing is that the backup will take almost 1 day to be uploaded. Can you believe that? If you watch the backup after 1 day, you will spend 2 hours. Then you go to the live class, you will not even get the time to go to the live class because backups get late to be uploaded. So that is the problem with the live class. In pen drive and drive class, you can manage time, you can do everything that you want to do with the pen drive and drive classes on your own timing. So I will recommend to go with the pen drive and drive classes. The one and the most disadvantage of pen drive classes is that there are so many students and teacher will not even be able to reply to a passage. So what do we do here? The academy, whatever academy you are purchasing the lecture, they will add you in a group, and in which group you will ask your doubt with your friends. So that is the solution of this problem. So go with the pen drive and never ever go with the live classes. Coming to the next tip, that is be disciplined. Please be disciplined. There is nothing to be worried about. If you feel lazy for some day, just get a rest of half an hour and just be disciplined, get back to the studies, because if you take the 1 day break, that is not going to be happen to be clearing CS executive student. You need to completely believe in yourself step and be disciplined. Next tip is classes watch time. The first thing that I would like to welcome you to the CS executive class, that the classes will be of 3 hours or 2 hours, even if you go to the offline class or go to the online class. So that is the first problem, that is 3 hours or 2 hours live classes. You will completely get burn out to watch these classes. You will even cry to watch these classes. So what do we do, sir? The solution is simple. If you take the driver pendrive, so take 5 minute break after completion of 25 minutes. That's how you will not burn out, and you will have 6 or 7 sessions of 25 minutes to watch the classes. Coming to the next tip, mobile addiction. Sir, mobile is inviting me to watch the YouTube. That's why we are here. But you can watch educational lecture definitely. But what not to do? You open WhatsApp, you open Instagram, you go to the user of 5 minutes and you message the Neha, and Neha will send you the message. And what you really do is that instead of going to the for 5 minutes, you will spend almost half an hour even to talk a person on call or anything. I will recommend you 2 apps to use. These apps will definitely block some apps in your mobile, and they will not you until a time is set. So that is the my mobile addiction tip. Download these apps and they will block some apps and addiction apps for you, and you will only focus on the educational apps. Next tip is procrastination. Even if you skip the classes for 5 days and you will get back to study, you will feel bored. You will say that I will do tomorrow. I will set a 5 minute alarm and will do after 5 minutes. There is nothing to going to happen. You have to study now or never. Next important point, purchase of video lecture. I would like to give here only one tip. The one tip is never ever buy lectures from one academy. If you buy one lecture from one academy on the basis of teaching of two teachers, you will gonna regret for your whole life. Because if you purchase lecture from one academy and one teacher is teaching very well, another teacher is, that is not going to happen. You are gonna fail in that subject. So I will suggest you to go watch demo lectures of teachers, watch demo lectures, and be sure that you are completely fine with the faculty. Then only purchase the video lecture. The coaching institute academy salesperson will say, sir, we do not have seats, everyone is filling, we are not gonna reserve your seat. So that is will gonna happen, but you purchase the lecture after considerable amount of spending time. Now let's completely revise the point. That is, first we did module selection, then we did live versus pendrive classes comparison, then we did discipline, then we did watch time, then we did procrastination, and then we did lecture purchase. How to purchase lecture? Never ever buy purchase from Burn Academy. Now let's talk about free lectures. We are gonna provide free lectures of GIGL, company law, and SBC on the Smart Education YouTube channel. Just you need to do is subscribe and like each and every video. That is the playlist that I'm showing you here. Now let's talk about a fun fact. Do you know that Rakesh Jhunjhunwala started his investment with the 5,000 rupees, and now his current net worth is 470 cr? How did it really happen? He invested into the stocks. Now I will be providing you the opportunity that ICICIdirect.com. Now first of all, let me tell you, this is not a paid video. Link will be available to open. Now before investing in stock, you first should have a Demat account, and you can open your Demat account on ICICIdirect.com with your Aadhaar card, PAN card, and a bank passbook. That will be easy to open the ICICIdirect.com. For that, link will be available to open a free Demat. But before investing, you have to promise me that first I will not invest more than 500 rupees. First, second, I will study the whole stock market. I will watch YouTube videos, and just for the purpose of gaining knowledge, I will invest. Third, I will not ever invest more than 500 rupees in my student life. Okay, so that's a promise. And if you wanna open and you wanna trade in stock, you are gonna have a ICICIdirect.com account. Link will be available in the description box of the video to open that account. And thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, you can mail me at missioncs642@gmail.com. That is for today's guide, and we are gonna upload more and more lectures. You can open your account on ICICI after having a deep thorough study, but the Demat account is completely free of cost that you can open. Link will be available in the description box as well as in the comment section pinned comment.